Hello everyone, my name is Innocent and this is iSense Cyber. In today's video I'll be doing the unboxing of this cooling pad that I bought for my laptop here. This is the laptop. I use this laptop for a lot of things. This is a HP laptop Core i3 2.60 processor. So I use this for music, I use this for video editing, right? I do music production, music recording. I'm saying all this to say that sometimes when I'm working, this laptop gets really hot. Like, I'm talking about heater kind of hot. Without wasting much of our time, let me just go straight into the unboxing. So, this is the pad. This is what is contained in this box. Okay. There's cooler pad, and let me keep this aside. There isn't much in this box. Just a USB end to end, and then this. As you can see, the box is empty. So I'm just gonna keep the box aside, right? I'm just going to keep the box aside. So I'm just going to keep the box aside and then pack the cooler part. So as you can see, this is what we have. This is it. Okay. There's I'll show you what these things are used for. So look at it. I think there is a fan inside here. And notice this USB ports. Two USB ports here. 1 and 2. Two USB ports on one side, and on the other side doesn't have anything. And then this doesn't have anything, and this place that looks like cooler. But notice this place. Let's take note of all this little differences here. And then this is it. So I guess we place it like this. Place it like this, and then this is called this will wedge the laptop from falling, right? You see, you can just put it and slide it either way. You can go like this, right? So you can slide it either left or right. That's what I'm trying to say. Right? You can slide it either this way or that way. This way or that way. So let me get the laptop right now. Let's see. Well, this is the laptop I'm going to use it on. And are you seeing this? Are you seeing this? Remember there is a USB port, right? Okay, let me keep this aside for now. Remember there was a USB port here. Then this goes in to the USB port. Oh, there's a button. Are you seeing this? There's a button here. Okay? There's a button here. Okay? And then this goes in one of those USB. I think they both have the same work. Okay? So you can either plug this end in a power bank, or you can plug it here to your laptop. So your laptop will power it. Alright? So I'm just gonna open the laptop right here. and see how this thing works. Okay, I'm just gonna open this and see how it works. See, it's working already. And then there's a blue light. I don't know if you can see, but there's a blue light here. I don't know if you can see it, but there's a blue light here. Alright? And this is supposed to cool. This is supposed to cool the system. And then just look at the side. Okay? There are 3 jacks here where you can plug this. Alright? It's adjustable into 4 ways. Okay? This thing can go like this. Alright? Are you seeing this? Are you seeing this? So it has 3 steps. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay? So as you can see, but I don't think this is too high for me, so I personally I like to put it at the extreme end. Right? This is what I'm going for. Okay. I think it's cool when you think about it. It is really cool in sense of you think there's an AC. I think this is cool. It will not be a waste of money if you get this. Alright? It's really cool. I don't know how they constructed this. You think it's AC once the laptop sits on it and the fan starts blowing. Okay? And well, as time goes on, I'll probably make another video, okay, of what I really think about this. Okay? But for now, I'll just say that I'm kind of impressed with the setup, and if there's any other thing, I'll let you know. So that concludes this video. If you are not yet subscribed, kindly subscribe, hit the notification button, comment, okay? My name is Innocent once again, and see you in the next video.